What up? What up? What up? This Cess with Sidetrackt Sessions coming with another tutorial. All right, so we're gonna get into how to make an account with Twitch, and we'll go into other ones if you guys want to hear or see how to do certain things. Just put it in the comments, and then I'll see if I can make a video for you on that. So as you can see, when you get to Twitch, to the left recommended channels, since you haven't really started anything yet, these are the most popular right now. Right on this page right here, this is actually my page, but I'm just not logged in. So right there, I'm hosting Existence, who shout out Existence 130. She's an incredible singer and musician on here. And what I mean by hosting is my page, I'm using that to host somebody that I represent or feel like I want to recommend to other people. So when people come to my page, they're going to see that I'm hosting Existence to make exposure for her. You can follow by hitting the heart button right here that I'm trying to light up. You can't see the mouse, but you can also subscribe. After you've made it to affiliate on Twitch, you can get a subscription button where people can pay $5, $10, or $25, and you get half of that as an affiliate. So that's what the subscribe button is. So you don't start with that when you first make an account, or if you're just a viewer. If you go to videos, you can see all the different videos that a person has on there, and clips are during a live performance. People can take a clip of you, and that's the only time you can do it. It's about 30 seconds max. As you can see, this was clipped by, let me just move. So up top, you can see the browse, which you can search for other channels or just find something random. I usually just search hip hop and try to find new channels for hip hop. Esports, which is electronic sports, and then music, which has become, it's so big, which I'm so glad to be a part of, and it's now got its own tab up top. As well, you can find different other things under this 3-dot tab right here. To the right is the chat. All right, so when it comes to making an account, what you're going to do, by the way, is create a username. You can sign up with Facebook or create a username, password, confirm the password, date of birth, email, and then hit sign up. When you create that account and you log in, it's going to ask for a token. You put it in your phone, or you get the text through your phone, and then you start the account that way. Now, I'm going to log in, and then I'll be right back. Now that I'm logged in, let me move this and show you how the page is. So right here to the left, you see all these different people that I follow. Every time you follow somebody, it's going to show up here on the left side. You can see the numbers as to this guy at the top because he has the most viewers, and then it goes down. The lower it gets, the lower amount of viewers you have, the lower you are on that tier of discoverability. All right, on the top right side right here, you can see the Prime Loot, which you can use to get into different gaming aspects. The notifications show you when somebody gives you a gift sub to somebody else's page. And if somebody gifted you a sub, that means that you're in there showing love, and somebody bought you a sub for $5. So thank them for sure. And that's always cool, because then you can go into that page with no ads. You can be a part of that person's chat if they're sub only or follow only, which means you'd have to follow them to start chatting. Earlier I had mentioned the clips was the last one, and then followers, of course, is who all follows a person on this tab right here in the middle. So now back to this top up here. Whispers are different messages that you can have with people, like Messenger or texting, up at the top right. And then if you want to get bits, you can pay for a certain amount of bits, which you can use to cheer on somebody's page. When you throw a bit, it'll give you a certain symbol on next to your name, a badge, which will represent that you've shown love through bits. And bits are just a digital currency they use on Twitch. Again, when you up here in the top right, if you go to your image of the whatever you put as your main pick, you can see that you can show if you're online. You can share your activity of where you're at. Like if you're watching somebody's page, it'll say C.e.s is watching whoever, join him. If you go to channel, that'll be how your channel looks to other people. which is I'm already on it. If you scroll down on somebody's channel, you'll see all their info and their different type of panels is what they're called. So you can go to video producer, which will allow you to make highlights of all your long videos and make little snippets, short ones, highlight them. And then as well, you can edit the description, edit the title, change the image if you want to put some kind of thumbnail of your past VODs, which is what they call them, VODs, video on demand. And if you want to chop up and make a highlight of that, edit the description or the title, or just make any adjustments to a certain video, or just watch a specific video, go to video producer. The creative dashboard will give you access to different buttons to make your almost like a command center that you can use while you're on stream. The friends will show you who you're friends with. Subscriptions is who you're subscribed to. Inventory will show what you have and bits and whatnot. Payments on what credit card you have signed up with Twitch. Settings, of course, will go into details on your page. Language, dark theme will be light theme like this or dark theme, and then you can log out. So I'm going to make separate videos for all of these, but just wanted to show you what it is on the main page and how to create an account on Twitch. So as soon as you do that, definitely go check out Scessions, Cessions, and then you can check out the page. Come vibe with me as I create freestyle, improv, beat making, lyrics. But again, I'm Ces. Definitely thank you guys for tuning in the video. Go make a page right now. Twitch is the future, and I'm glad to be a part of it. See you guys then. Peace.